Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your saved locked info on Snapchat using an iPhone. And yes, this guide also works for Android users. So let's jump right in. Before we get into the steps, here are a few reasons why you might want to see your saved locked info. For recover a forgotten passwords, check for suspicious logins, manage multiple accounts. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to check. Um, Now, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon from the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Uh, Now scroll down and look for account action section. Um, Now to tap on now here you will see saved login info. Tap on it. Here you will find the devices where your Snapchat account is logged in. If you want to check your saved password, you can also do it through your iPhone, or you can go to Android. For this, go to your iPhone's settings, and then tap password, use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then search for Snapchat in the list. For Android, go to settings, Google, manage your Google account, then tap security, password manager, and look for Snapchat, and you will see your saved logged info, and that's it. Now you know how to check your saved Snapchat login info on both iPhone and Android. This is a great way to keep your account secure and make sure only your devices are logged in.